Wala pong Basa Guidote rito. Meron po ritong paggamit ng salaping bayan.
My question is about Basa Guidote, Mr. Mayor.
Wala po
Please,
rito.
None. And there is also no mention of the specific amount of 34 million, which eventually was the agreed purchase price by way of negotiated sale for the property owned by Basa Guidote. None. There is also none.
Wala po rito.
None also.
Hindi po transactional to eh. Ito po ay appropriations budget.
Okay. Because you have been a mayor of Manila for 3 terms, Mr. Mayor. Proudly, yes. I know.
The only 3-term mayor.
Okay. Now, are you not aware, Mr. Mayor, that for a transaction like this, acquisition of a property by way of expropriation or by negotiated sale, that there should be a specific ordinance to treat that particular transaction as provided for by the local government code?
Objection, Your Honor. Calling for legal conclusion.
Your Honor, he is the mayor. He said proudly.
Let the witness answer.
Alam ko po yun, sapagkat kailangan merong pondo at nakalaan dun sa paggamit.
And-
yung pong bilihan ng lupa ay merong pondo ang Department of Engineering for capital outlay.
At maliban po sa pondo, dapat po identified yung property, di po ba?
Eventually, ma-identify po, pero hindi po sa budget yan. Pag capital outlay, pwede pong land acquisition, pwedeng road construction, building construction, and other requirements.
So, sasangayon po kayo sa akin na dapat merong particular or specific ordinance for that purpose.
Hindi po sa general appropriations, kaya po general appropriations yun.
Senator Lacson. Counsel, will you allow Senator Lacson to take the floor?
Mr. President, may I just help clarify this particular issue regarding 7975 and 7976. Mr. Mayor, hindi nyo lang po siguro naalala, yung ginamit na pondo doon sa 7975, continuing appropriations po yon doon sa previous budget. Hindi po ba?
Tama po.
Kaya hindi po yung budget sa 7976 ang ginamit dito sa 7975.
Ang pagkaalam ko po, yung pondong nagamit namin eventually sa pagbili po, kinuha na namin doon sa appropriations measure.
Hindi po. Continuing appropriations for the engineering services, Department of Engineering and Public Works, DEPW, for the construction of the new Sampaloc Market.
Tama po.
So pag sinabing continuing appropriation, previous year po yon, budget year.
Tama po yun.
Ang problema nyo lang po dito, hindi kayo nagpasa ng ordinance para i-realign yung budget for the expropriation. Nandun po ang problema, hindi doon sa between 7976 at 7975. Kasi hindi po pwedeng gamitin yung 7976 kasi current year yun eh. Nauna pa po yung 7975 sa 7976, I suppose.
Tama po yun. Yung 7975 ay nauna po yun dahil kailangan namin yung expropriation measure. Dahil kundi, wala po kayong makakausap na may-ari ng lupa eh.
Pero wala pong issue doon sa nauna yung expropriation kaysa doon sa appropriation
Yung
ng pondo para sa expropriation.
Halos sabay po yan eh. Na-aprobahan niya tayo.
Tama po yan, pero
on the same day eh.
hindi po pwedeng gamitin yung budget ordinance para doon sa expropriation kasi hindi po saklaw na yun eh.
Meron pong kinalaman sapagkat engineering requirement
Hindi po,
po
ang
yun.
may kinalaman lang doon, wala kayong subsequent ordinance para i-realign yung budget na galing sa continuing appropriation do sa kung ano man yun, 7974 man yun o 7973, dapat meron kayong subsequent city ordinance para i-realign yung budget ng previous year, budget year, doon sa pag-expropriate. So, wala pong kinalaman yung pag-uusapan nyo kasi nahirapan po ako makinig dahil magkaiba po yung inyong pag-uusapan.
Tama po.
Salamat po.
The counsel for the prosecution continue.
May I proceed, Your Honor? Mr. Mayor, ang nangyari po dito sa pagkakabili or in the acquisition of the property covered by TCT 76220 is by way of negotiated sale, di po ba?
Eventually, yun po ang nangyari. Hindi na po umabot doon sa expropriation.
Expropriation. Hindi po expropriation ang nangyari, di po ba?
Hindi po.
So, by way of negotiated
Dahil
sale.
kung expropriation, dapat sinampahan namin ng kaso.
Opo, hindi na po umabot doon.
Hindi po umabot doon.
However, ang ginamit nyo pong basihan ng inyong karapatan na pumasok sa transaksyon bilang alkalde ng Maynila ay ito rin pong 7975, di po ba?
Alam po nyo,
Sagutin lang po sana, pakisuyo po.
ang sagot po dyan, pagka meron po kayong lupang tinatarget for public use, at gagamitin nyo yung power of eminent domain, gagawa kayo ng expropriation measure.
So, pero ang nangyari po rito, hindi expropriation, di po
Hindi
ba?
na po umabot sa korte. Kung yan ang
Kaya nga po,
tinutukoy nyo.
pero just the same, you made use of or you relied on the provisions of City Expropriation Ordinance
To-
number 7975, according to you, for expediency purposes.
To get the parties to respond, yes.
Did it not occur to you that you should have asked your council, the City Council of Manila, to pass a specific and separate ordinance to correct the measure you were to rely upon? Because 7975 speaks of expropriation, and you ended up
Misleading, Your Honor, also
May I
speculative.
answer?
Sa tingin ko po, ang City Council ay tumugon na substantially. They gave me a shotgun blast. Binigay na nila yung lahat ng available parcels of land in the area. Nagbigay na po sila ng authority to appropriate certain sums of money. Kaya hindi na po ako bumalik at tinuloy ko na po yung visa ng kanilang ordinansa.
At sangayon nga po kay kagalang-galang Senator Lacson, tungkol naman dun sa isang ordinansa, hindi rin ho ba pumasok sa isip nyo na dapat humingi kayo ng separate specific ordinance para maglagay ng pondo para dito sa negotiated sale? Kasi hindi naman po expropriation ang nangyari. Yung 7976 ay budget ordinance for the general fund of the City of Manila. Hindi ho ba pumasok sa inyo na para areglado ang usapan at ang transaksyon, dapat may separate ordinance para sa pondo at para sa property. Kasi wala rin pong ordinansa kayong pinagbabasihan na nagtitreat sa property belonging to Basa Guidote. Yung pong pinag-uusapan nyo is...
What is the purpose of this line of questioning? You are questioning the source of power of the mayor to buy the property? Or what is the relevance of
Yes,
it?
Your Honor, because the good mayor is saying that he derived his authority from this purported city ordinances
To buy the property?
to buy, but apparently...
And that you are saying, in effect, that the mayor was not authorized to buy the property?
Not properly authorized, Your Honor.
If Your
Not
Honor,
properly authorized. But since the property was bought by the City of Manila, which is relevant to the issue at hand, well, if he committed an infraction of his duties as a mayor, that is a separate issue, isn't it?
Yes. We are not concerning ourselves
With the possible legal
Consequences.
responsibility of the mayor with respect to the way he handled this power.
we are just pointing out
anyway,
the infirmities and
I
flaws
just
of the
want to
transaction
know-
entered into, Your Honor.
The chair just want to know the purpose of this line of questioning, because
if Your
we are using time of the court on this issue, and we are concentrating on this issue instead of relating the purchase to the present issue of impeachment. But anyway, you proceed.
Mr. President.
The gentleman from Pampanga.
Yes, Mr. President. If I may just add, Mr. President, because, well, we're interested in the Basa Guidote aspect of this transaction rather than the the local government's participation in it, no? And whether or not there are infractions. No? So I share the concern of the Senate President that we seem to be moving towards another direction.
The collateral issue.
Precisely, Mr. President.
But anyway, we will give you all the leeway and
We'll go to another point.
show us the connection, the link of this particular issue with the impeachment trial.
Your Honor, may I just make a manifestation?
Yeah, please.
If Your Honor, please, under the local government code, when a local government authorizes expropriation, it is first required that the local executive or the chief executive of the city or municipality should first try to negotiate a sale. And only if it fails should the local executive go through expropriation. And this is why an ordinance for expropriation implicitly includes the authority to negotiate, Your Honor, a sale.
Yeah, but regardless of whether the acquisition is by expropriation or negotiation, the fact is that a sale was concluded, payment was made by the City of Manila, and so this is now related to the problem of impeachment before this court. So proceed.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
Anyway, you can pursue your question, and let's see how you will connect it.
Yes, Your Honor. We'll now go to the Secretary's certificate, earlier identified by the witness and marked in evidence by the defense as Exhibit 230, Your Honor. Mr. Mayor, you said that in relation to your query as to the capacity or identity of the person you were dealing with, particularly Cristina Corona, you were shown a copy of this Secretary's certificate. That's correct.
Tama po yun. Tama po yun.
And you have observed that this is a February 1987 document.
Tama po yun.
I mean, that is the date appearing as type.
Doon sa certification. Opo.
Yes. And however, the notarization bears the date June 19, 1987. That's correct. As being examined by our witness.
Opo.
Now, so you have observed that there is a disparity between the date of the instrument itself and the notarization between February and June of the same date. Have you observed that?
I did not take note of that anymore, but I saw the certification. I took it in its face value.
Okay, face value. And you saw this in 1991, in 2001, that's correct?
2001.
2001.
Yeah, opo.
When you were negotiating for the negotiated sale or for the acquisition of the subject property. That's correct. Or a margin or difference of 14 years. So to speak.
Okay.
Yeah, probably by mathematical computation. Did it not occur to you that you should have asked Mrs. Corona for a more recent source of authority?
Speculative.
This is, I'm just asking if he knows, if he did, Your Honor.
It didn't enter my mind anymore because a certification is a certification.
Were you showed an original copy of this